Welcome to our video on the topic of whether or not there is a God. This is a topic that has been debated for centuries and has been a source of great debate and discussion. In this video, we will be exploring the evidence from science and experiments that suggest that there is no God. We will be discussing 10 points in this video, and by the end of it, we hope that you will have a better understanding of the scientific perspective on this topic. We want to make it clear that this video is not meant to offend anyone or to discredit anyone's personal beliefs. Instead, it's an attempt to present a rational and evidence-based perspective on the topic. 1. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the leading explanation for the origins of the universe. According to this theory, the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. This singularity then expanded and cooled, eventually leading to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. The Big Bang Theory does not require the intervention of a God to begin the universe. 2. Evolution. Evolution by natural selection is a widely accepted scientific theory that explains the diversity of life on Earth. This theory states that over time, organisms that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. This process leads to the gradual development of new species. Evolution also does not require the intervention of a God. 3. The fine-tuned universe. Some argue that the universe is fine-tuned for the existence of life, therefore it must have been designed by a God. However, scientists have proposed alternative explanations, such as the multiverse theory, which suggests that there may be an infinite number of universes with different physical constants. This would increase the likelihood that at least one of them would be suitable for life. 4. The problem of evil. Many religious belief systems propose that God is all-powerful, all-knowing, and all-good. However, the existence of evil and suffering in the world seems to contradict this belief. Many scientists argue that the problem of evil is evidence against the existence of an all-powerful, and all-good God. 5. The lack of empirical evidence. Despite thousands of years of religious beliefs, there is still no empirical evidence that God exists. Scientists rely on empirical evidence to support their theories and hypotheses. Without any empirical evidence to support the existence of God, it is difficult for scientists to accept this belief. 6. The failure of miracles. The idea of miracles, or events that violate the laws of nature, is central to many religious beliefs. However, scientists have been unable to find any evidence that miracles have ever occurred. This lack of evidence suggests that miracles, as they are commonly understood, do not exist. 7. The anthropic principle. The anthropic principle states that the universe is the way it is because if it were different, we would not be here to observe it. While it may seem like the universe is fine-tuned for life, this is actually a result of the fact that we are here to observe it. The anthropic principle does not require the existence of God. 8. The failure of prayer. Many religious traditions include prayer as a way to communicate with God. However, scientific studies have found that prayer has no effect on outcomes. This lack of effect suggests that prayer does not work as it is commonly understood. 9. The lack of purpose. Many religious belief systems propose that God has a purpose or plan for humanity. However, scientists argue that the universe is not created for any particular purpose and that human beings are not special in any way. Therefore, there is no purpose or plan for humanity that requires the existence of God. 10. The failure of prophecy. Many religious traditions include prophecy, or the ability to predict future events. However, scientific studies have found that prophecy is no more accurate than chance. This lack of accuracy suggests that prophecy does not work as it is commonly understood. In conclusion, the evidence from science and experiments suggests that there is no God. The Big Bang Theory. evolution, the fine-tuned universe, the problem of evil, the lack of empirical evidence, the failure of miracles, the anthropic principle, the failure of prayer, the lack of purpose, and the failure of prophecy all provide reasons to question the existence of God. We understand that this topic is a sensitive one, and that people have different beliefs. But it's important to acknowledge that science and religion are not mutually exclusive and can coexist. It's also important to remember that evidence and reason should be the basis for any belief. We hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of the scientific perspective on this topic. We respect everyone's beliefs and encourage you to keep an open mind, question and explore our understanding of the world.